Hip hop music is a relatively new genre compared to the established genres that preceded it. Despite this, it has evolved into one of the largest and most popular genres in the industry.
Beatmakers play a vital role in this scene, ensuring its continued success. If you've always aspired to immerse yourself in this dynamic world and contribute to its growth with your artistic talents, look no further.
Welcome to our hip hop and beat making program, where your dreams of crafting beats in the studio for renowned artists can become a reality.
As you progress, you'll dive headfirst into modules on drums, bass, sampling, melody, and harmony, each providing an in-depth exploration of how these concepts contribute to creating your next hit. Drums will establish the rhythmic foundation, while the bass fills out the low end, giving your compositions a tangible presence in live performances. By combining sampling and crafting your own melodic sequences, you can set the desired atmosphere for your beats.
Beyond composing, our program delves into the essential tools required to make your beats stand out. Modules like equalization, dynamic processing, and effects processing teach you how to achieve an industry-quality sound that sets your beats apart.
You'll learn to equalize your bass lines, eliminating unnecessary muddiness and allowing harmonics to shine. Compression techniques for drums will give them the necessary impact in your mix. Properly applying reverb and delays to your melodies will create a rich atmosphere, even for the simplest sounds.
However, the highlight of our program is the personalized mentorship you'll receive. You'll work one-on-one with seasoned industry professionals, learning the art of hip-hop and beat making directly from the experts.
Prepare to explore various microphone types, master the intricacies of signal flow, collaborate with real artists, and transform your beats into masterpieces that captivate audiences. So what's holding you back? Join us now and transform your musical passion into an unstoppable beat-making journey. Visit our website and enroll today to unlock the mysteries of hip-hop and beat-making. Let's bring your musical dreams to life. This comprehensive course will guide you through the entire creative process, from capturing the essence of a song to meticulously mastering it. There's truly no better way to learn and grow in this profession than by immersing yourself in the world of successful practitioners.
By laying a solid foundation with our course, you'll open doors to an incredible range of career possibilities, including
music producer. This is a primary role for beatmakers. They create, arrange, and oversee the production of musical compositions, often working with artists to create the desired sound for songs.
songwriter. Beatmakers who also write lyrics can become full-fledged songwriters. They collaborate with artists to craft complete songs, combining their musical and lyrical talents.
Composer. Beatmakers can create original compositions for various media, such as film, television, video games, and commercials, enhancing the visual content with their music.
Remix artist. Remix artists take existing songs and reinterpret them with their own style. This role involves rearranging and reimagining the original tracks to create new versions.
Sound designer. Beatmakers can work in sound design for various media, creating unique sounds and audio effects that enhance the overall experience. This can be in film, animation, video games, and more.
Live performer or DJ. Beatmakers can perform their tracks live, whether in clubs, music festivals, or other events, either as solo acts or as part of a DJ duo or group.
Mixing engineer. Mixing engineers take the individual tracks of a song and blend them together to create a balanced and cohesive final mix. Beatmakers with strong production skills can excel in this role.
Mastering engineer. Mastering engineers finalize the mix by making adjustments for consistent sound quality across all tracks in an album or playlist. They ensure the music sounds polished and professional.
Don't miss this extraordinary opportunity. Enroll now and embark on an exhilarating adventure in the realm of hip-hop and beat making. Let the world hear your exceptional beats.